My name's Bernard Ashwanden. At Publishing Smarter, one of the things we do is put together videos like this one in order to help people learn how to use their software tools better. This video explores how to create new documents, and one of the easiest ways is to click Document under Create New in the launcher screen. Clicking Portrait creates the traditional letter style page. Depending on your installation, you'll get either an 8.5 by 11 or an A4 page based on US or International English. In the top left, you'll see the name of the page in a tab. There's also a button that you can use to hide a lot of the UI objects that are appearing on screen by default. Another option is to use the menu and select File New, and then choose to create a document or a book. The same dialog for new documents appears. Another Page tab appears up in the top corner, identifying the second file. You can also create landscape pages. Notice the top of the ruler on this ends at 8.5 inches. The landscape page is rotated, and therefore it's 11 inches wide and only 8.5 inches tall. Instead of a default portrait or landscape page, you can also create a custom page of just about any size. The custom page starts off with a default size, in this case US letter, but everything's configurable. If required, first set the units in the bottom right, and then specify the width and the height of the page. After the width and height have been set the number of columns and the gap between them. Based on your page layout, you can specify margins on the top, bottom, left, and right, or in the case of double-sided pages, on the inside and the outside. You can also set up pagination to define the starting location of the first page. After you define all of the settings for the custom page, click Create. The new page displays in its own tab. You can also create different types of custom pages. The last settings from the custom page are stored, but you can reconfigure this in any way you need. Creating a custom page based on the A4 letter changes the units of measurement to centimeters automatically. All the settings can be configured as needed. Then click Create when done. The custom page, based on the A4 paper, shows up on screen with 3 columns and using centimeters as the default unit of measurement.